Chapter 13, Artificial Environment and Green Concept. From the date of origin of Earth, everything in it has been formed naturally. But with the advent of human beings on Earth, with time, an artificial environment or a built environment was formed on Earth. The natural environment changed drastically for the purpose of establishing a luxurious life for mankind. Here are some pictures of few cities. As you can see, there is a significant change in the environments years ago and now. There is less greenery and more buildings. A natural green environment has been replaced by an artificial environment with cramped settlements, factories, and cultivated lands. Yet, it succeeded in making work efficient for mankind. Education, healthcare systems, infrastructure, transportation, and many other essential services has been developed, enabling man to live a productive life. Innovative products and services emerged to fulfill human needs and wants. Rapid social and economic developments took place. But social and economic developments took place, causing the destruction of the natural environment. Biodiversity depleted gradually. Environmental pollution increased. Along with the advancement of science and technology, a man's lifespan increased. Human population increased, thereby increasing the competition for limited natural resources. The natural resources were exploited unusually and with no limitations. Number of global issues arose, and the major issue the current human population faces is climate change. Increase in global warming is the #1 crisis. The greenhouse gases are considered as the major contributor of the increase in global warming. Directly or indirectly, it has become the reason for all environmental problems. Ultimately, man harming the natural environment is man harming himself. Therefore, at present, people have directed their attention towards sustaining the natural environment whilst progressing in social and economic developments. In order to achieve this, a set of guidelines and policies has been put forward, which in turn introduced the green concept. Green concept means following guidelines and policies essential for maintaining goods and services so that the natural environment on Earth is minimally harmed or not harmed at all. To understand this concept better, let's look at some examples in which the green concept has been followed. The German Parliamentary Building. Energy for this building is obtained from renewable sources such as solar energy and geothermal energy, and also from biofuel powerhouses. In addition, it has special ventilating devices and contrivances to retain warmth. 80% of the total electricity requirement is produced within the building itself. Because of such devices, it has reduced the annual emission of carbon dioxide from 7,000 tons to 1,000 tons. Wayne Elmore's Court Complex in USA. The irrigation required for plants is minimized by growing plants which can withstand drought conditions. Use of water has been cut down by 40% by the installation of waterless urinals, toilets, and showers which use water minimally. The K2 housing project in Australia. This housing complex utilizes renewable energy. It utilizes recycled timber, rainwater, solar water heaters, and photovoltaic panels. By using these renewable energy sources, it has been able to reduce electrical supply by 55%. water supply by 53%, and petroleum gas supply by 46%. Bud Clark Commons housing complex in USA. This housing complex uses solar water heaters to get hot water. A plant cover in the rooftop absorbs heat and rainwater. Devices are used to purify bathroom effluents to be used in toilets, and fiberglass windows are opened under hot conditions. Because of these measures, this project saves energy worth $60,000 annually. Beijing National Sports Complex in China. This complex has employed methods to obtain electricity from solar energy and water requirements from rainwater. Ventilation is affected naturally. Therefore, the maintenance of the sports complex is carried out by low cost. By looking at these places where the green concept is adopted, you would have by now identified the main aims of the green concept. One of the major aims of the green concept is to enhancing the plant cover to appear in green. But you should not misunderstand that this is not the only aim of the green concept. Minimizing the emission of greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide that causes increasing global warming is also another aim. If you observe the places we discussed before, you would see that they have used energy from non-renewable energy sources rather than petroleum fuel, thereby decreasing the emission of greenhouse gases. To understand this concept better, let's look at some examples in which the green concept has been followed. Green concept can be applied in agricultural processes and in industrial processes. In agricultural processes, green concept is applied in organic farming, in water management and land management, thereby making sure the natural resources are conserved. It is also applied in post-harvest technology to minimize the damage done to the harvest. In the industrial process, green concept can be applied in use of chemical substances. It is also used in the construction of buildings and also in transportation, thereby calling it green transportation.